All right, y'all. Today we gonna install and style a Faux Locs bob. Get into it. Right here, I'm just showing y'all the products I used for the style. We're jumping straight in with our shea butter. We're gonna moisturize this hair, honey. My biggest advice when doing your own hair or when like picking a stylist to do your hair is make sure they do like health over length or health over everything really. And then as you can see here, I go in with my Cantu, my leave-in, and so I'm finishing off my moisture routine before I jump in with the style with this mango grease. It smells really good. Right here, as y'all can see, I'm just picking out my hair, detangle. It may look like really like raking my head, but I'm really not. It's just sped up. Like I think I slow it down like right there. Yay, to like show y'all that like it's really just combing through because I spent all that time with my moisture routine, so it's straight slay. Ow, bow, bow. Yay. Once you're done with your parting, then you want to like go in and start braiding your natural hair. As you can see here, you only braid so far. You braid like halfway. And then you go in with the little twist right there. And you add that into your braid. And you just finish it. You'll see. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I don't know why I had my head out of the frame, but really I'm just going to the end of my hair. Well, as close as I could get to the end because my hair is short. So right here, you just going in with your crochet hook and you inserting your wraparound hair, and you just wrapping it around your twist. Right
right here, I just wanted to mention that you do make one side shorter than the other one. And you make your short side so they can cover the length of your hair, your natural braid. Yeah, all that.
I think I'll do a wraparound. We'll wrap around.
I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a winding million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
Right here, I just included another clip of my wrapping technique.
Give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my
You should buy this hair. Position.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer.
Baby, that bob was so stiff, so you know I had to dip it.
You know I had to double it.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching.
So y'all, the dipping is the last part of the install.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, high they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, in the cafe, murder, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of